Welcome back to the channel 38 gang. It's your boy Slushy Student 38, man. I know y'all seen that last video when I hit 5K subscribers. I did a giveaway and everything. But if y'all participated in sharing the video, liking and leaving comments, I definitely choose a few people. I had 3 different things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give away. And yeah, that's coming. I'm gonna hit them up in their Instagrams or on my comments where the people left that stuff at. But stay tuned for the video, guys. In my hand, I got a big sponsorship box right here. It's not like a modification or a mod or anything, but this is something you guys definitely want to stay tuned for. So watch the intro. Once again, like, comment, share, subscribe, 38 gang. And yeah, man, let's go.
Just clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah.
This that kill switch. Only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Have my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like
Go.
utility work.
If y'all don't know, I got a sponsorship already with a new auto. They send me those LED door panel that goes inside the doors. If y'all didn't see that video, I'll leave that up in the playlist up there, or I'll leave an image or a video in the description below. But yeah, man, this is the product that I got sponsorship. This is the company. It's called Shine Armor, and this is the product. It's a waterless wash, shiner, protect. I'm familiar with this because I use it on my V6 charger. After I got it wrapped, this product really helped keep the car shiny, man. But I'm gonna demonstrate how to use it and show y'all. I'm gonna actually wash it and then use it because the car is really dirty. I mean, this is gonna take me so much time to like actually wash the car with this all the way. So I'm gonna get it washed and then I'm gonna apply this because I know, like, for a fact on a wrap or any kind of, like, you know, black car, any kind of car, like, it's gonna turn it and make that boy shine. I already know for a fact, man. So stay tuned for that when I apply this and everything. And I also wanted to talk about something else under my hood. So I'm gonna go wash the car first and then we're gonna get back to that. Let's do that.
What are you talking about?
All right, guys, like I was saying before, under the hood was something I wanted to talk about with this oil catch can. I almost didn't say it right. Before I do the Shine Armor, we're gonna talk about this and make sure it's not hot. All right, so look. I came out here the other day and looked at how much oil built up I had, and I wanted to show you guys. I know if y'all have seen that video a couple of videos ago, so it only been like a month and a half. I know this is a bigger engine, it's a 6.4 engine, but this thing is already basically full, guys, and I wanted to show you guys that. Look how much buildup. I don't know if I can see that, but look how much is in there. It's full. Like, you see it? There you go. It's like full. So I'm gonna dump this and then I'm gonna talk a little bit about that. Now I want to talk a little bit more about that because, like I said before, this is a 6.4 engine. I only drove probably like 2,000 miles before I had to dump this out. So it might vary with a 5.7 engine on how fast it fills up, or a V6 3.6 engine. I just wanted to say that because, I mean, it is like important information. People want to know that kind of stuff, and I can't get it on because my hands are slippery. Yeah, I just wanted to say that, guys. I just wanted y'all to know. I just want to talk about that because a lot of people put oil catch cans on their car, and I don't really think like people give you more information about how fast it fills up, what you expect when you do it. But yeah, I'm gonna use the Shine Armor. We're gonna get right into it, and yeah, just speed me through this. All right, 38 gang, man. This is another big video for me, man. Here there is the product after it's been applied to the cars. Shine Armor once again. Go to shinearmor.com, use 38 gang, get 20% off as a discount code, guys. And yeah, let's go from there. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get some pictures. I'm gonna get y'all to walk around real quick. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video though. I'm gonna do some I plan on doing some performance mods, guys. So stay tuned for that, cause I do plan on probably putting a cam and headers on this car, and maybe do like a E85 kit. That's my summer project. So stay tuned for those videos, and we're gonna try to do like car meets in the meanwhile. Like once again, thanks for helping me get this 5K, guys. 38 gang. I can't believe I made it this far on YouTube, man. I got 2 good sponsorships that actually send me products for free. And this is another product that I have used before, just like the new auto door panel lights, man. I can't believe it once again that I actually made it this far. I know it's only 5K, but guys, keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep supporting the 38 game, become one of the 38 game, and yeah, let's go, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Let's go.